Vibration analysis is now even faster with SimSolid. Let's review how easy it is to set up a vibration scenario. SimSolid accepts multiple CAD formats and can read in both assembly and part files from all major CAD softwares. After importing a file, SimSolid's Automatic Connections tool automates the connections, which is beneficial for our battery pack as it has over 1,000 connections. After defining connections, we can define the material properties by utilizing SimSolid's extensive material database. Now we can begin the dynamic analysis by clicking on the Modal Analysis module. SimSolid's meshless technology allows users to obtain natural frequencies in a fraction of the time. We can review natural frequency and modal shapes by clicking on the specified frequencies. We can specify the modes to include in the random response analysis. SimSolid has an easy-to-utilize PSD function where users can either type in the PSD function or import the function in directly. With the excitation tool, we can specify the amplitude and direction of our excitation and then run our analysis. SimSolid's meshless technology allows us to solve and obtain results rapidly. Users can look at stress and displacement results throughout the time length of the scenario through clicking on the different segments. To learn more about SimSolid, go to www.trueinsight.io.